Right, before we start, I've had a request for this video where I show the Fergie idol, and so to that viewer, here you go, and to anybody else who wants to see the tractor just sitting there idling, here you go. Enjoy.
My exhaust is non-existent. It can be done with it.
Right, my brother wants to
Hopefully they don't see my
start it, to pretend that he's a man.
I am a man. That's why I'm wearing pyjamas, because I'm not afraid.
But he can't even start to pull start without, trying for quarter hour, so we'll let him give it a go.
Does your ignition work?
He needs exercise.
Watch this, I better start. First time now. It's freezing cold.
No, it's not. I just drove it here.
Try! I didn't even try. Which one's the...
Unfortunately, my brother's here meddling, and we're running on 2 cylinders, which...
and a half.
Yeah, which would be good for a Johnny Popper, but Fergies tend to work better on 4.
Still sounds better than it did. It's like a Harley Davidson now.
Oh no, it's stalled.
Oh yeah.
Right, what I'm gonna do is I might just tidy the cap up, see if it's soot a bit. Oh, not good. I haven't been, down in the distributor for a while. I presume the condenser isn't doing its job, but it's got a new condenser on it, so I don't know. Points are probably alright. I do need to get a new cap at some point, but it's got an original Lucas. Well, I don't know about original, but it's got a Lucas cap on it, and an old-fashioned rotor arm, and so I like to keep it. Shame I don't have a soldering iron hot enough to put some lead on it or something. Sounding better, but we're probably down to 1 minute. Oil pressure is good enough. Not too hot here. Starting and singing, isn't it?
Right.
So, for those of you who wanted to see it slow idling, this is about as far as I'm comfortable taking it. It's not all too hot. It's up to temperature, but we've still got oil pressure because the oil hasn't heated up yet. So there we are about that. I'm not very much of these sort of videos, but showing off tractor isn't all that bad. My belt is slipping a bit, the fan belt. It's worn out really. As I said, I've got an alternator for it, so at some point I'll get a new seat belt for it and I'll try and fit an alternator to it. Don't know what else to do. You can see my little homemade flap just tippy tapping at the top there. So, yeah. I don't know what to do about the walk around. This tractor has some things wrong with it. This old agri mileage tyre is starting to go, about there. So I'll have to change it, but I don't know. I'd like to put new agri mileage tyres on it, but they're not all that easy to find. They only make them in India and stuff, so they're not very easy to find. The drawback to an agri mileage tyre is they don't tend to clear quite as well. Now I found this tyre rather good, so I don't know if that's just about because of heavy soil and clay and stuff, but I haven't had too much trouble with that one. And you can see that the gaps on that one seems a little bigger than the gaps on this one. This one here has a lot more knobbles on it. So I don't know. Doesn't really matter. See, still have all that. Right.
Harley Davidson proper now. The sound is good. I don't think it's the right type of metal.
I think it's the wrong size.
Hang on.
Nah, it doesn't fit.
That sounds good.
Well, that wasn't the type of thing that I tend to do, but I suppose that's not far off of a theme of my videos. Bit useless, but it was requested and so I've done it. I'm sorry that I didn't make a video last week, if anybody cares about that. Long and short of it, I was too lazy. Busy in the week, and then
when Friday came along, I couldn't be bothered. And I have worked on this video for the last 2 weeks, but you know, just there we are. If you enjoyed this video, like, I suppose, and if you'd care to see a bit more of a content on this channel, that's right on as well. You know, we do a bit of mucking about and a bit of welding and fixing and just everything. So there you go. Ta-da!